My name is David Godwin, popularly known as Ajegle Chisco. My position here, facility manager at Chisco, and in charge of both the transport and along with my colleagues here, the branch manager here.
No, just yourself.
Okay.
Okay, tell us, today you are launching 40 new buses for the company.
Yes, sir.
What is the significance of this event today?
First of all, Chisco is wonderful. He's a father. He's just like a godsend to the new generation. And we, the company, as the staff of the company, he take all of us like his children. Doesn't hesitate whether you're from different tribe.
No, sorry, that's not the question.
Okay.
Just tell us, like, what do you hope to achieve as a company for these 40 buses you newly acquired?
What we want to achieve from the 40 buses, one, passenger, a good name, including our logistics, not only the Rosarios also. We have truck also. He bought more than 40 truck also. Yes, for the organization to move where and to give the standard service to the masses.
So as a company, what is the major challenge you are facing currently in your business?
In our business,
What's the major challenge you are facing?
one, the price of the diesel affect the company. If not the transportation, we cannot charge above, like from here to Lagos now, it's not too much, but also it's money. But that is only the challenge we have about the diesel and bad road. It affect our vehicle. That is only the serious challenges we have.
Okay, that bad road, what do you face? Is it cost of managing the fleet or?
No, the bad road just from the government. We will render our service to bring new bus, but the bad road and the cost of the diesel.
How about insecurity?
Insecurity, yes, insecurity. We don't have challenges of insecurity. Chisco is a perfect when we have our own security inside our motor also.
So each bus has its security?
Yes, we have security. We have standard security inside our buses, both morning, both night. Yeah.
I wanted you to talk more on this bad road. Do you have any advice for government concerning the bad road? What do you want government to do concerning the bad road?
What we want government to do about the bad road is that they are trying their best. They should put more effort for us so that even the vehicle will last for the company also, because it affects our vehicle. Let the vehicle be last for us. That is my own advice.
With these buses, are you going to cover more routes?
Of course. Of course. Now we are going to Uyo, Abuja to Uyo, Lagos to Uyo, Calabar, Benue, Plateau, Kano, Kaduna. We are going to start the route. We'll kick off very soon, any moment from now. Thank you very much. Welcome to Chisco Transport.
Kingsley Onyebu and Kemakalam.
So you are one of the senior drivers?
Yeah, one of the
How do
senior
you feel
drivers.
now that you have brand new buses?
First and foremost, let me use this medium to thank Chief Dr. Chidanyebu for procuring all these buses, creating massive job opportunity for the masses. You understand me? At least a lot of people gained employment. Even people from other companies were gainfully employed to join us. So we thank him for that.
So as a driver, what are the challenges you face on the road?
Well, first, you said about insecurity. We have insecurity on the road. We have bad road. But I want to commend this new government, especially Mr. David Umahi. He's doing a massive job. The standard of job he's doing is very, very commending. Let him keep it up. It's no longer normal roads, something that can last for 50 years. Yeah, he's doing a good job.
Okay, you're talking about the concrete.
Concrete, yes,
yeah.
is good. It's very, very good, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, I think that would be all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Dr. Solomon, I'm the regional manager, Chisco Transport, Abuja, to be precise, yeah.
So tell us, as a company, what's the significance of today's event as a company?
Yeah, actually today's event is all about showcasing to the people of Abuja and Nigeria at large that Chisco as an organization, we are fully back. We are back to what people used to know us for. And yes, we are back and big, as you can know. So the aim right now is to create awareness and publicity to the whole Nigerians to see that we are fully back operationally, and we are here to satisfy our customers and give them comfort, safety while in transit with us. Yeah, that's
So,
it.
as a manager, what are the challenges you face daily in your operations?
Yeah, the major challenges we face daily in our operations is just the bad road. Apart from the bad road and one or two insecurities which we have been managing, I don't think there is any other challenge. But for service, in part of service and delivery, I think we are doing very well. We're doing very well, yes,
For
sir.
this bad road and insecurity, is there a way you are engaging with government as an organization?
Yes, once in a while, within our jurisdiction, we do send out complaints and reports on the experiences we normally have while in transit. Yes.
What about drivers? Do you train and retrain your drivers?
I think we have the best drivers on the land. We have the best drivers because our drivers, their least experience is 15 to 20 years. That's the least experience we accept for drivers. So they are all professionals. They're that good. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, my name is Mr. Obinna Anyebu. I'm the MD of Chisco Transport.
Thank you. As one of the leaders in the market, this is the sort of rebranding for the company, acquiring 40 buses at once. Going forward, what should we expect from Chisco?
Transport service, superior luxury transport service. We really are trying to bring luxury back. So many things that people start with complaints about this is not good, this is not good, this is not good. But what we are sure of is our service of transport, and we want to make the average Nigerians and the average African's life a bit more quality and a bit more luxurious. Because travel is a very, very huge part of human living and human life, whether it's we are traveling for pleasure, business, or every part of it. So just making it a little bit better, because as you can see, that has always been our standard of travel. But I believe that it went down to those the 14-seater vehicles. But now you can see these fleets, as you're in there, you can stand up, you can stretch your leg, you can move around, to avoid a lot of health issues. Unfortunately, the roads are not fantastic, and it's taking sometimes 14 hours, 15 hours on the road. But at least what we are in control of is that you can do it in luxury.
Okay. Speaking of the roads, apart from the roads, what other challenges do you face as a company?
Of course, we're working with the federal government, and to be fair to them, they are trying their best to improve the road network and the security apparatus on the road. It's a work in progress. The only thing is that 90% of our population, over 180 million people, will be using the roads on a daily basis. So we're still, still available to work with the government to improve these services, because the life of the common man is the reason why they are there in that place. So without the roads, without good security on the roads, it's not a good quality of life for Nigerians and for Africans. So we really urge the government to work harder, and we're available to collaborate as usual to actually make that possible.
Thank you so much.